Christina. My name is Bill Hoover with Tameron Hyundai. We really appreciate your interest in our pre-owned department. You inquired about the 2016 Santa Fe, which I have right here. This vehicle's in great shape inside and out. What I'd like you to do, invite you to do, is come down and see me at 1591 Montgomery Highway and take it out for a test drive. Let me show you some features about it. It's got a nice chrome grille up front, projection headlights, alloy wheels around the side, and if you step to the inside, I'll show you the got beige interior. It does have power seats up front, heated seats, AM, FM, XM radio. It does come equipped with, it's Bluetooth compatible for hands-free operation of your cell phone right here on the steering wheel, along with your volume controls, cruise control. In between the gauges, you do have a vehicle information display, and the controls are right here on the steering wheel as well. This vehicle is also equipped with Blue Link, okay, and that's Hyundai's telematics system, and I can go over that with you when you come down and take your test drive. Like I said, we're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway here in Hoover, Alabama, directly across from the big Wells Fargo Bank. If you call me at 205-380-6250, let me know when you could be available. I'll be sure to have the vehicle ready for you when you arrive to save you some time. And Christina here at Tameron, I know you're going to love the way you're treated, and I look forward to seeing you soon.